Welcome to Phone Transformer, where I will guide you through exactly how to erase contacts on Android to keep your address book clean and organized. Managing your contact list is essential for finding the people you actually need to call. So now let's get started. Step 1, open Contact app from your home screen or application menu to view the complete list of names and numbers saved on your device. This application is the primary directory for your personal and professional connections, and it is where all communication details are stored. Step 2. Then select any contact you want to delete by tapping on the specific name to open up their individual profile and contact details. It is important to open the specific contact first to ensure you are removing the correct person and not accidentally deleting someone else. Step 3, then scroll down and tap on Delete, which is usually found at the very bottom of the contact information page or within the secondary menu. This command tells your phone that you want to remove this specific entry from your active synchronization and storage. Step 4, click on Move to Trash to finalize the process and remove the information from your main contact list immediately. By moving the contact to the trash, the system clears the space while providing a temporary safety net in case you need to restore the number later. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.